Hey babe, could you grab the other end of this? Oh, I forgot I'm single and I'm gonna die alone, right. Today on MontanaDanna, I'm in the middle of moving, so I make sure I get everything in the correct room. I color coordinate all of my clothes, and I organize all of my potions and witchcraft. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. I'm coming at you with Monday through Friday videos. Good morning, my beautiful and lovely friends. Mission number 1 today. I'm going to clean this area out, put my piano where it belongs. I just need to be able to walk through my apartment. They came and fixed the dishwasher this morning and he had to go over to the breaker box and it was just a shite show, really. I have all my really pretty jackets and these. Yeah, if I can just get this cleaned up, it'll at least feel like I'm making some progress. Gotta strap on my strong woman panties and move this piano. Should be a good time, should be a good time. And it's going to go right where that guitar is. So, got a little bit of stuff to move out of the way. Just gotta get started. This stuff all goes in my trailer, just extra boxes and bags. That means I have to get the last little bits out of my trailer so I can start cleaning some of this out. One of you suggested finding all the garbage and getting it out. That helps. And I think getting all the boxes that I've already unpacked out of here will clear a lot of space as well. So wish me luck. Found all my Ireland garb. I bought some really pretty jackets in Ireland. What I love about St. George is it's sunny year round and we have a little bit of seasons. Like we'll have a little bit of a fall and winter, but it's only like 3 months long, so it's not too bad. But I got the cutest couple pea coats, so excited for fall and winter. Here's my favorite thing I got in Ireland. I feel like this will be a family heirloom. It's from the Aaron Sweater Market. It's just, the detail is gorgeous. Look, that's so beautiful. I mean, it's pure wool. It feels like you're wearing pine cones. Not that comfy, but it is warm. And when I wear like a long sleeve white shirt under this, it's super cute. The detail, I love the detail. Like, tell me you went to Ireland without telling me you went to Ireland. Another Aaron Sweater Market find. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Would I wear this around Ireland? Of course I would. Does this make sense in St. George, Utah? Abso-freaking-lutely not. Trying to get everything in the correct room. All my shoes and clothes go in the other room. All my props and musical stuff and work stuff go in this room. Workout mat has seen better days. Just give you a little roll. Room. Bongos go in here. Singing bowls go in here. I'm gonna set up a little meditation area in here. I'm gonna grab my circle rug from the back of my rig and then set up my singing bowls around that and come meditate every day. This will just be my creative space. I have my wigs up in the closet, all my outfits for filming Influencer the Musical, all of my piano. I'll have a desk with my computer. Total creative space in here. I'm excited about this room the most, I think. Singing bowls. These bags are just clothes that I don't know if I'm donating or selling or keeping. I'm gonna go through those one of these days. And my sheets and my comforter and stuff are in one of these. So gotta find those. Still haven't slept in my bed. Just trying to clear a path so I can get my piano in here and get it out of the way. Ooh, hangers! What a happy day! I found Gma and Gpa. Need a special place for them. I traveled with them in my visor in my car for my whole travels, so they need a special place. I'm feeling some type of way today. I'm feeling like the energy is clearing. Gonna get this piano over against that wall. I got everything out of these, so those are ready to go back in storage. This whole pile's ready to go back into storage. And by storage, I mean into my trailer. I'm trying to calculate, my trailer payment's $215 a month. Is it gonna be worth it for the next 6 months to pay that payment and have the trailer. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to afford an apartment in November. I don't know what my situation is gonna be. I don't know how I'm going to live with a roommate with all of this stuff. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to go back to full-time travel in November. I'm gonna work my butt off to not have to do that. I think doing daily vlogs Monday through Friday will bring in a lot more income, try and get some sponsorships, stuff like that. Plus I'll be getting a lot of my bills paid off by December, so that will help out a lot too. So the money that I am making will not go toward my debt, it'll just go toward my apartment. Okay, so many instruments. I bejazzled my bass. That's fun. You can just take a nice little nap right over there. Now I'm gonna clean up this space so I can get the piano. Cute. Oh no, do your thing. Fine, it's just fine. So you know on a movie set, when they have wardrobe, they'll like set out all the clothes. I'm gonna use this in my creative space room, and I'm missing 2 of the poles. They've gotta be here somewhere. I'm gonna hang up my clothes that I need for filming for the week and just have them easily accessible. Pick them out one day. I'll have one messy day rather than 7 messy days a week. I'm still committed to doing my Influencer the Musical. It was just nearly impossible when I was on the road. It was so much. It was so much doing that in a small space. Blankets, blankets, props, mad props. Oh, pine cones for Christmas, blow up punchy gloves. Everybody needs a pair of blow up punchy gloves. Am I right? Oh, I'm wrong, okay. Oh, no one needs that, got it. Also have my red light therapy device by MontanaDanna. I have a link if you want 20% off. This is gonna go in my meditation space. So when I meditate, I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna have my singing bowls. It's just gonna be a nice, relaxing, I can't wait. This just goes in the trailer. Get it out of the way. Baskets, hair extension box, you know, the essentials. Ooh, curtain rod. I'm gonna put up some cute curtains. I have a system. Handmade crochet. Pattern link is in the description. I think I shoved the poles for these in one of my soft bags because I was just trying to get every last little thing out of storage. We just need to get this out of the way for the moment. Clothing box goes in the bedroom. Ooh, should probably remove the beverages. Okay, little jukebox. Love it. I know I've moved this on my own before, so I'm pretty confident I can get it, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. Bend from the knees, not from the back. Oh. Come the fuck on. I'm so over it. Come on, my love. Come on. Swivel just ever so delicately. Go easy, my love. Thanks. Suck it in. Hey, babe, could you grab the other end of this? Oh, I forgot. I'm single and I'm gonna die alone. Right. Ooh. Can you run to the store and pick up the chicken? Oh, right. I'm expected to make my own money and do all of this and cook as well. Okay. I am a modern woman. I got this. Don't you dare worry. I'm not independent because I want to be. I'm independent because I have to be. Chivalry has died a slow and painful death. Don't worry. I've got it covered. I have to use my childbearing hips for something, you know. I'm not bitter. I'm spicy and I'm sweet. I'm sweet with a little kick of heat. Like a nice barbecue, you know? Famous Dave's loaded with sugar and a kick of heat. That's me. But being single and 40 is 1,000,000 times better than being with a douchebag or in a toxic relationship. Well, it's in its spot. I can now put the keyboard in. I could put the little thing back on. I need to repaint that piano. Where is that? Ooh, I'm sorry, crystals. You deserve better, my loves. You know, I should be just putting this back in right now, but I need to clean off the piano and maybe paint it first. Now I just need to pick a room to finish today because I feel like if I do one room a day, I'll get there and it'll feel good that I can like use my bedroom and bathroom. So I'm gonna start in there, start hanging stuff up, at least get everything shoved into one corner so I can just like function on a day-to-day at least. Oh, it's hot. But I have now booby-trapped myself from getting into said bedroom. Excuse me. May I come through? Okay, so this is the present bedroom situation. Stuff is already folded, so I can just transfer it to the correct box. Should be good to go. But there are things I want to hang up so I can keep them nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do something kind of different in June. I was doing goals every day and completing them with you guys, but I'm gonna do some like social experiment stuff. I'm going to go out every night in June to be around a different group of people. It doesn't necessarily have to be to a bar, but I have to maybe go out with a friend, go out to a different hiking spot. I just want to meet new people and try and find my tribe here in St. George. I do have some really good friends, so I'm gonna reach out to them and hang out with them as well. So every day I have to do something social because I am very, very content just kind of hanging out at home. I am a bit of a homebody. I love to go out. I love people, but I can just be like cozied up at home and be completely content. So I'm gonna challenge myself to be sociable every day, whether it's just like going to the hot tub. For the month of June, I'm gonna do that little social experiment. I also did a social experiment where I didn't try for a little bit and I wanted to see what types of people popped into my life. Like I wasn't wearing any makeup, not trying to look a certain way at all, just like showing up. This is me. I might be homeless, I might not. Let's keep them guessing. But it's kind of interesting the people who showed up. Like I thought no one would ask me out or like want to hang out, and I was like actively trying to repel men. And some guy in Starbucks came up to me, wanted my number. I looked literal homeless. But I don't want to just go to the bars because I don't really want to meet bar people. I love going to the bars with friends occasionally, but like the regulars you see at bars are not probably my people. I'm gonna go to a yoga class. I'm actually teaching a fitness class. I might join like a hiking group. I don't know, but if you have ideas on how to meet new people, let me know. I'm gonna try doing stand-up comedy or do like a musical open mic night. I also might go to California and do a week-long stand-up comedy class. I don't know where I'm going to stay now that I don't have my trailer, but I have some friends in that area, so I'll reach out to them, see if I can crash with them for a week maybe. Or maybe I'll just turn my Suburban into a stealthy little vehicle, because I've done that before. So that would be fun, taking a stand-up comedy class or even a script writing class. I really love doing comedy stuff, so I'm gonna lean into that a little bit. They also have online classes, but that's not really social, so defeats the purpose of the experiment. But I'm curious to see, like, at the end of 30 days, just putting myself out there, like who I'll meet, what kind of friends I'll make, and what kind of opportunities will open up. If you want to join me with your own experiment, cool. If you just want to watch along, that's great too, but I'm going to kind of add that into my daily quest. Moving to a new city is hard, and like I've done it a few times. I've moved to Boston, I've moved back to Bozeman, Montana, I've moved to LA, I've moved to Idaho, I've moved to Utah, and then I traveled all over. So I know what it's like to have to build community. You really have to be friendly and open with people, and I just kind of like saying hi to people, getting to know them. That part's pretty easy for me now. I used to be painfully shy where I wouldn't talk to anybody, but I really want to have a community here. I want to find my people. I want to find good friends. I want to have someone to go hiking with, you know, like I've been doing this alone for so long, but it's just, I want good people in my life, and I want to be a good person in other people's lives. Like something I missed on the road was having those really solid relationships. I met a lot of really cool friends and people on the road. You see them for a week here and there, and then you're scurrying off somewhere. So really feeling the desire to build community. I don't know, it's gonna take me out of my comfort zone, but I think that's good. Also, when you first move somewhere, you have to develop your healthy habits right away and get into a good routine right away. So once I get everything settled, I'm not gonna take that 3-day break I usually take where I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna snuggle in bed and watch TV. I'm gonna just get right back into my healthy habits, because if you start them right away, you'll be able to maintain them a lot easier. I know from experience, so I'm so excited to get everything clean. Okay, I'm gonna get back to work. I found my lucky Mai Tai feather. This is a feather for when I went to Maui with my cousin Linda, and This is a good luck feather. I brought it back with me. It's from one of the parrots that we hung out with. If you missed the Hawaii series, it's a good one. Highly recommend. I stepped on something sharp, but I need to find a good spot for this. Maybe my lucky feather and my G-Ma and G-Paw will go somewhere. They have to be in the apartment. I also have some sage. I bought it for a character I have called Chakra, but I have some extras, so I'm gonna sage the shit out of this place. We're going full on witchcraft. I've got all my lotions and my potions. I've got my crystals on my piano. We are all witched up and ready to seance. Right, I'm packing my winter stuff up and putting it on top of my closet up there. And instead of putting the box flat, I tipped it up so I can see what's in it in case I do want one of those sweaters. Probably won't, but in the wintertime, I'll swap out this section for sweaters, and then I'll have a few of those boxes up there. I just like that everything's visible, so if I'm looking for that one top, I know every single piece of clothing I have, and when I always want that one piece of clothing, I just come in here and grab it. I know that's a silly thing to be excited about, but after van life in it, this is giving me so much life. So I'll stack maybe 3 of those up there, have some room over here. I'm also putting foldable stuff under there. Definitely have a lot of clothes. It's probably 90% of what I own. And shoes. Quite a few shoes too. Oh my god, shoes. We've got our skirts box. We've got our fancy pants box. And then more seasonal stuff under here in these baskets. Just sweaters and such. I'm gonna go through every piece of clothing, but I'm gonna do it on a different day. I just need to get moved in, settled, figure out what I have space for, and then I'm gonna try on each piece of clothing. I have hit my goal weight, and then anything that doesn't look good on my present body, I'm just going to donate or sell. And then I spent the rest of the day editing. It took about 3 hours to edit one of these videos, and then I had to edit for Skylar, so pretty pooped by the end of the day. I feel like I didn't get much done today, but I at least accomplished getting everything in the correct room, so ready to rock and roll tomorrow. If you made it this far in the video, what would you suggest I go out and do? What's a great place to meet people? I need your suggestions, so let me know in the comments and I'll write you back. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, share it with your friends. We'll see you tomorrow.